No, over there. There's an electrical.
Electric opener.
Bring that baking
This
flat.
Flat there.
Michael, I need her attention for a minute.
Okay.
Give me that glass baking dish.
This one?
Yeah, that one. I can come over here, set it down here because we got to pour those potatoes in that. Now go ahead and do it. You know how to run it?
No.
Okay. Here.
Okay. Let Vivian do it. Let Vivian do it.
You got to put the can up in here.
Hook the can up, and then just press the.
Put that, it has to go right down on the inside cover, and then you press on it and it'll turn it around. Go up higher.
Higher.
That's it. Now down.
Okay.
Yeah, all the way. You
All the way down.
The top
More.
Push. You got to have the can level.
Can level.
Now the can has to be level when you do it. Wait a second, let's do it the other way. Just a minute. Here. Yeah, it's too heavy to do it that.
Yeah, I've already did it.
Let's do it this way.
Sweet potatoes.
Huh?
They're called yams.
Yams.
Oh, yams.
Michael? Can you
Yes.
come here for a minute?
Yes.